Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. In this chapter, we will have to learn about constant, variable, algebraic expressions, monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, etc. So first we will have to know about constant. What is constant terms? If someone will ask you what is constant, what you will say? क्या बोलोगे? Constant, a symbol which has a fixed value is called a constant. That means symbol जिसका कुछ fixed value होता है. That means 7, 3, 2 ये सब क्या है? Fixed value है इसका कि 7 kg अगर बोलते हैं तो 7 kg ये भी fixed है कि उतना ही amount चाहिए उसको. तो 7 minus 3, 2, pi etc. This all are constant. Now variable. What is variable? A symbol which can take various numerical values is called a variable. A symbol which can take various numerical values means जिसका बहुत सारा जिसमें हम न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज ले सकते हैं इज कॉल्ड अ वेरिएबल. दैट मीन्स एक्स वाई जेड अल्फाबेट्स, ऑल अल्फाबेट्स वी कैन टेक हियर इन वेरिएबल टर्म्स. नाउ algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? A collection of constants and variables connected by one or more of the operations. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. is called an algebraic expression. Means collection of constant means कलेक्शन है कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल का जो एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होता है सिंबल से, ऑपरेशन से. किससे? दैट इज एडिशन साइन, सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन और डिवीजन साइन. दिस वन इज कॉल्ड algebraic expression. जो कनेक्टेड होता है दिस ऑपरेशंस आर कॉल्ड algebraic expression. नाउ व्हाट इज मोनोमियल? An algebraic expression having only one term is called monomial. जिसमें ऐसा algebraic expression जिसमें सिर्फ one term होता है, एक term होता है, that is called monomial. Now, if two terms are given, then तो an algebraic expression having two terms, if two terms are given, that is called binomial. Now again, if three terms are given, then three terms in an algebraic expression having three terms, that is called trinomial. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Trinomial. If three terms are given, that is called trinomial. One terms are given, binomial. Two terms, that is one term monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial. Now if an algebraic expression having two or more terms, that is called multinomial. तो if अगर सम टाइम्स अगर दिया रहता है टू और मोर टर्म्स, अगर किसी एक्सप्रेशन में दो और दो से ज़्यादा टर्म्स है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मल्टीनोमियल. नाउ इफ वन क्वेश्चन इज गिवन 8 minus 3y, 8 minus 3y, सी हाउ मेनी टर्म्स हियर? यहाँ कितने टर्म्स है? 1 and 2. दैट मीन्स टू टर्म्स आर हियर, टू टर्म्स आर हियर. दैट मीन्स an algebraic expression having two terms is called what? Binomial. So is a polynomial in y of degree? Degree of y is what? 1. And it is a binomial because two terms are here. So an algebraic expression having two terms is called binomial. And what is degree? The greatest power of the variable in a polynomial is called its degree. मीन्स ग्रेटेस्ट पावर जो होता है वेरिएबल टर्म का पॉलिनोमियल में उसको बोलते हैं डिग्री. तो ग्रेटेस्ट टर्म इस पॉलिनोमियल में ग्रेटेस्ट टर्म क्या है वेरिएबल का? 1, y का. तो इन y ऑफ डिग्री इज 1. नाउ वन मोर एग्जांपल इज गिवन 9x to the power 6 minus 3x square plus 4x minus 1/7. So is a polynomial in x of degree? What degree is? Degree is 6. because the greatest power of the variable in a polynomial is called its degree. So greatest power is what? 6. This one 2, 1. Again variable term 1. This power is 1, 2, and what is the greatest power? 6. That's why we have taken degree is 6. So degree is 6. That means what we have learned? क्या हमने पढ़ा? An algebraic expression having 2 or more terms. 2 or more terms. So how many terms here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 or more terms. That means greater terms. That's why it is a multinomial. Now we have to learn some formulas which we will have to apply in this chapter for solving the sums. सम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए ये फॉर्मूलाज हमको लर्न करना होगा. In next class we will do the sums. So this will be a plus b का whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Again a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus b whole x plus a b. These formulas you will have to learn. In next class we will do the sums using these formulas only. So these formulas will be your homework. You will have to learn these formulas. Okay, thank you.